Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with a fish cutlet recipe. Let us see how to make fish cutlet. Here I've taken 1 kg of fish boiled and shredded, 2 boiled potatoes, 2 onions chopped finely, 1 inch ginger chopped finely, 2 green chilies chopped finely, and 10 cloves of garlic chopped finely. I've kept a thick bottomed kadhai on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this, let us add the finely chopped onions, around 150 grams. Saute it. Into this, let us add the chopped ginger. Now let us add the chopped garlic. And then we can add the green chilies. Green chilies can be taken according to taste. Here I have taken 2 green chilies, finely chopped. Now let us saute this till we get a very nice aroma. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to taste, because the fish is also cooked with salt, so accordingly we should add. Into this 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Now let us add the boiled and shredded fish. Here I have taken tuna fish. Any firm fleshy fish can be taken. The fish is cooked with a little salt and turmeric. Let us add the fish into this. Now mix it well so that the fish, onions, ginger, garlic, everything gets mixed together and the fish gets the flavor of all the spices. Now let us add half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Into this let us add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This is optional, but I like to add vinegar, a little vinegar into this. Mix it well. Now we'll add the mashed potatoes into the fish mixture and mix well. Add finely chopped curry leaves. I've used scissors to cut the curry leaves finely. Mix it well. And then into this we can also add some bread crumbs. It gives a nice taste to the cutlet. Let us add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. This is fresh breadcrumbs which I have used, not toasted ones. Once the mixture cools down, we'll make cutlets out of this. Now let us shape the cutlets. Make tight balls and then press it between the palms to flatten it and shape it. So this is the shape we want. With this measurement we can make about 25 cutlets, medium sized 25 cutlets. Our cutlets are all beautifully shaped. Now we have to dip it in egg and coat it with breadcrumbs. Here I have taken 1 egg and breadcrumbs from 2 slices of fresh bread, which was just grinded in the mixer grinder. For the entire recipe we will need 2 eggs, but I am not frying the entire lot now. I'll be keeping it in the fridge. Only when required I'll be taking it and dipping it in egg and then coating it with breadcrumbs. That will then the cutlets will be very fresh and crispy. So we'll coat the cutlets with breadcrumbs and then we'll fry them. We'll heat oil in a thick bottomed kadai and fry the cutlets. It should be fried on medium to high flame. This will give the cutlets a nice and crispy covering. We'll turn the cutlets and fry it till it is nice golden brown in color. Now the cutlets have turned golden brown, so let us take it out from the oil onto a tissue paper. Our delicious cutlets are ready. Please do try the recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Thank you for watching. Wish you all a very happy new year. Bye.